Let's take a look inside the SQLite Forensics course and walk through what you'll be learning step by step. This course takes you on a journey through app investigations, giving you everything you need to confidently analyze mobile and application data on your own. We begin with the ancillary files, plists, and XML. You'll learn the tools and techniques to view and understand the data they hold, from app settings and configuration details to decoding base64 encoded blobs and dissecting protocol buffers. Once you've got a handle on these external data types, we shift focus to SQLite databases. You'll start with the structure, the database header, page headers, record headers, and serial types, laying the foundation for manually parsing raw payloads. Through a series of guided labs, you'll gain hands-on skills to recover deleted data from free blocks and freelist pages, and accurately locate and reconstruct large records stored across overflow pages, including carving out fragmented JPEGs, PNGs, and other binary files buried deep inside the database. To truly understand what's happening under the hood, you'll create your own databases, insert and delete records, and get a front-row seat to how SQLite manages data. Once you've built a solid foundation on how SQLite operates at the byte level, we'll shift gears into database reconstruction and recovery. Here, you'll manually piece together deleted records by rebuilding interior and leaf pages using evidence from freelist structures and free blocks, bringing lost data back to life. In the WAL and SHM lesson, you'll learn how to examine the write-ahead log, a goldmine of forensic evidence. You'll recover records that never made it into the main database, find deleted content that would otherwise be lost forever, and identify records marked for deletion but still present in memory. Throughout the course, you'll participate in quizzes, labs, and CTF-style challenges that act as checkpoints after each major lesson. These challenges give you a chance to apply your skills in realistic forensic scenarios, find the flag, and unlock the next stage of the course. And finally, you'll face the final assessment. Pass it, and you'll earn your certificate, a formal recognition of your skills in SQLite forensics. You're about to gain a skill set that most digital examiners only scratch the surface of. SQLite forensics isn't just about running queries, it's about understanding what the data looked like before it was deleted, where it went, and how to get it back. Whether you're a student, an investigator, or a forensic analyst in the field, this course is built to give you the knowledge, confidence, and tools to dig deeper and recover what others might miss. So take your time, stay focused, and most importantly, stay curious. See you inside.